Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to lower the heat or decrease the overheating issue that you might have on your iPhone while using Instagram. Some people have stated that after upgrading their iOS, they're noticing that Instagram is just overheating on them pretty badly. So I'm going to show you some things that you can do on Instagram or through these settings to decrease the heat from Instagram. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that you're probably going to want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app and then go to your profile in the bottom right corner on your iPhone device. And then you're going to see now after that in the top right corner, there are three lines there. Tap on that and then go to settings and privacy. And then you're going to want to scroll down a little bit further here until you get to a section that is data usage and media quality. Once you tap on that, you're going to see an option here, and you probably have this ticked to on. This is the first thing that we're going to do here is tick this to off. So if you have this on under use less cellular data, try ticking that to off so that you have less juice being pulled from your cellular data. Because when you have lower bars, your phone is working harder to pull data. And if you switch this to off, it means Instagram is probably going to lower the quality a little bit, but it's going to be less intensive on your device, thus decreasing the heat. Okay, so that's the first thing that we're going to do. Now, the next thing that we want to do is go to our settings. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out now. Now here's the next option that you have here. If you go to settings and then you go ahead and scroll down until you get to the Instagram app, which is what we're looking for here. I'm just going to keep scrolling till we get to Instagram, and then we'll open that up and I will show you what we're going to do there. So here is Instagram. There we go. And then once we get into Instagram, we're going to make sure that our microphone and camera are set to off. So if you upload a lot on Instagram, you probably have both of these on by default. You want to make sure that these are both off because Instagram may be using this information or pulling data in the background. And once you turn these off, that's going to relieve a little stress there from Instagram. The other thing is the background app refresh, and this is likely ticked on your device currently. You're going to want to tick this off, and so that means if you were using some other app or you're toggling between apps, if Instagram is refreshing and doing things in the background, that's just going to maintain the heat on your iPhone. So go ahead and turn that off. And then there is a couple other things here. If you pull down from the top on your iPhone, you may have your device all the way up on brightness, and that does create additional heat as well. So you may just want to dim this a little bit, and so that'll cause less stress as well while you're using Instagram. And if all else fails and the app is just continuing to overheat, another option is you could use the browser. So I'm going to just go ahead and open Chrome here. If you're going to use the Instagram browser, you might notice that sometimes it will redirect you to the app as soon as you log in. So you're going to want to make sure that you're using a desktop version. So I'm using Chrome right here, and other browsers have this option too, but we go ahead and go to the settings, and then you're going to notice that I can just go ahead and choose request desktop site. And once I do that, I can log in and it'll show me a desktop version of Instagram. So hopefully those tips were helpful for you to help you decrease the overheating on your iPhone device. If they were, feel free to like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day, guys.